What's up? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com. One of the most common questions that I get is, when are you going to teach a barbecue class? And I have come up with what I think is a pretty awesome answer to that question. Now, I have 3 kids, a busy family life. I can't travel the whole country, but what I can do is bring my barbecue knowledge to you in your very own home and your very own backyard. I'm super excited to introduce you to the Grill Squad. I'm going to tell you all about it. Let's do it. I want to be able to teach you everything that I know about barbecue, but it's really difficult for me to travel all over the country, and I kind of found it was cost prohibitive for most of my followers. Those big weekend intensive barbecue classes, or even just a long evening event, can run into the multiple hundreds of dollars. I wanted to make it a little bit more accessible. So in the Grill Squad, I currently have 12 online barbecue pitmaster classes. Now you can take these individually. They're $50 a pop. They come with a printable workbook and everything that you need to know to master that particular style of cooking. Whether it's brisket or ribs or pulled pork, I even have a class on making your own barbecue seasonings and sauces. My whole goal is to help you make better barbecue and do it in your own backyard, and the online course makes that accessible. We also have a full annual membership option where you get access to all 12 of the classes, plus all of the new classes that we release. We usually put out 2 or 3 new classes a year. We also have some really cool benefits of being a part of our Grill Squad community. When you join the annual membership of the Grill Squad, we'll ship you a welcome box directly to your house. It includes this awesome apron. As you can see, I have patches on mine. You can earn patches for the pitmaster classes that you can complete. It's kind of like barbecue Boy Scouts, and it's really fun. The welcome box also includes a magnet with a temperature guide. You get a rub and an exclusive recipe card that you can follow along with. You also get some butcher paper. Added bonus, you get some Grill Squad stickers so you can decorate your cooler or your meat fridge. We also really wanted to focus on community with the Grill Squad, so there's a private Facebook group you can join. You get exclusive newsletters every single month. Todd and I jump into the group monthly and we do a live discussion about barbecue. We have a Q&A session, and you really get a behind the scenes look into the Hey Grill Hey world. We also give pre-release options for any of our new products that are rolling out. Grill Squad gets first dibs. In addition to getting the products early, we also have a running discount for all of our Grill Squad members. So if you're buying Hey Grill Hey products and you want to save a little bit of cash, that's always available to Grill Squad members. And because we just can't quit, and we really want this community to feel supported and loved and have all of the resources that they need, Grill Squad members get premium access to the Hey Grill Hey app, downloads of both of our ebooks for free, and we recorded a series of podcast interviews that are exclusively available to Grill Squad members. I know that is a lot of information, but we offer a lot to our Grill Squad members. If I could be in person to hug every one of you and thank you for following along or cooking one of my recipes or downloading the app or buying any one of our products, I would absolutely do that. But I truly believe that the Grill Squad is the next best thing. We get to welcome you into our barbecue family. We get to share our cooks. We get to support each other through the ups and downs of cooking great barbecue at home for the people that we care about most, because really, my whole goal is to make you the backyard barbecue hero, and the Grill Squad is just another way that I can do that. I truly hope that we'll see you in the squad.